In business, in entrepreneurship, in real estate, in life, the most important thing you can have is a deep why. A deep-seated, emotional, convictional why that pushes you and spurs you to continue to push for greatness. When you're getting kicked in the face, when things aren't going the way you thought they were going to go, when you're struggling to move on, and even when things are great on the opposite side, if you don't have a powerful, emotional, deep-seated why pushing you on, you likely will fail. And whys are different for everybody, and why has been cussed and discussed a million times over, but it's the one thing that I think most real estate agents forget, is their why. When you are cold calling and you get cussed out, you need a why. When you are scrolling through Facebook and your friend who you just talked to about real estate a month ago posts a photo of buying a new home with another realtor, you need a deep and powerful why. When things aren't going your way, when the self-doubt creeps in and the lack of confidence pops up, you need a why. For me, my why is my son, and bigger, my family as a whole. But specifically, my kiddo, Dash, that stud, he is what pushes me and spurs me to move forward. When I'm down, when I'm out, when I'm feeling sorry for myself, when I am feeling insecure or a little even bit of depression begins to sink in, sometimes all I have to do is slap myself in the face and look at my why and see this bright, fun, intelligent, athletic, loving kiddo that looks up to me and tells me all the time, "Dad, I want to do what you do. I want to be like you someday." That is enough to get my mind back in gear and remember why I'm doing what I'm doing. We all have bad days. We all have moments of doubt. We all have moments of depression. We all have moments of sadness and lack of confidence and wondering, what on earth am I doing? Have I made the right decision? I feel like I'm going broke. Things aren't going my way. Why am I doing this? Well, you better remember why. And you better have a deep sense of what that is. And it better be very, very powerful. And that's different for everybody. Just because mine is my family doesn't mean that yours has to be your family. It could be something completely different. But what I know is you are much more likely to succeed if you have a deep and powerful why that pushes you forward. And you're much more likely to fail without a why. So, Realtor, what is your why?